Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now let's review our lesson last week, okay? I will say the words, you listen carefully and repeat after me, okay? Now, let's review about the kind of names. We studied about 4 kind of names. We have number 1, first name. Number 2, middle name. Number 3, you have surname or last name. And number 4 is nickname. You know, in Thailand, you have only 3. First name, surname or last name, and nickname. But for foreigners like me, I'm a Filipino teacher, then I have my middle name, the surname of my mother. Okay? Questions about yourself that we have learned last week. Number 1 question you have, who are you? Then you answer, I am, then you tell your first name. Number 2, what is your surname? What is your surname? My surname is, then you tell your last name. Number 3, what is your nickname? So the answer is, my nickname is, then you tell your nickname. Number 4, how old are you? How old are you? Then you tell your age, okay? I am 8, 9, or 10 years old. Then number 5, we have, where do you live? Where do you live? The answer is, I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay, so those are the questions that we have learned last week. Now, you can also introduce yourself by telling those answers, okay? I give you an example so that you can do it. I am, you are introducing your name. So you tell your first name. Then, my surname is, okay, you tell your last name. And then, my nickname is, you tell your nickname. Then, I am, how old are you? So you tell your age, years old, okay? Then, I live in Nakhon Pathom. Okay. Now, today, we will learn about your school. So we will have question and answers. Now, okay, let's start. Remember, I will say the words twice, then you listen and you repeat after me, okay? About your school. What do you do? What do you do? Okay, the answer is, I am a student. I am a student. Okay. Number 2, what grade are you in? What grade are you in? Okay, the answer is, I am in grade. What grade are you? So you have 2 or 3. And then section, you have section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 sections in every grade, grade 2 and grade 3. So you can choose from that. I am in grade 2 or 3, section 1 to 7. Okay? Number 3. What subject is this? What subject is this? This is English subject. So we are learning English here. Okay? Again, what subject is this? This is English subject. Okay, number 4. Who is your foreign English teacher? Who is your foreign English teacher? The answer is, my foreign English teacher is Mr. Glean. My foreign English teacher is Mr. Glean. Okay? Number 5. Who is your Thai English teacher? Who is your Thai English teacher? My Thai English teacher is Miss Net. My Thai English teacher is Miss Net. Okay. Number 6 and the last. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at Wat Phrapathom Chedi School. I study at Wat Phrapathom Chedi School. Okay, so let's summarize all of these questions. Okay, let's review now. Number 1, we have, what do you do? I am a student. What grade are you in? I am in grade 2 or 3, section 1 to 7. Okay. Number 3. What subject is this? This is English subject. Okay. Number 4. Who is your foreign English teacher? The answer is, my foreign English teacher is Mr. Glean. Number 5. Who is your Thai English teacher? My Thai English teacher is Miss Net. Number 6. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at Wat Phrapathom Chedi School. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye.